Hey guys, this is Basant here. In this video, I'm going to talk about a Loom alternative. With the help of you can capture your screen, record the video and even share with others. And not only that, there's also the one more feature that I like it, that you can also accept the videos from others. Like you want to get a video tutorial or the video testimonials or the user generated content as the video, you have to just go to this received recordings, and here you have to just create a link that you can share with anyone using the social media. Like me, I have just shared this link with on the WordPress, and after that anyone or any user going to click this video, they will able to record the video or capture the screen in their devices, and this will be the recording show up here. Okay, so that thing is also available in this platform. So this is the Konvey, and right now it's back again on the app Sumo. The pricing is just the normal and the affordable, that is the $49 one-time payment. Yes, this is the one-time payment you have to pay and you will get the lifetime access. So if I scroll down below, you can more read about this tool. Like you can just create or generate the personalized video messages that you can also link in your emails, in your landing pages or in your copies here. Then after that you can also redefine or upload your recordings on the cloud, and then on those recordings you can also add the capturing leads or the any interaction you want, like the action button. You can also request the videos from others, like I have already talked about, and there's also the white labeling available here. So we have the 4-tier plans available. Single tier plan is starting from the $49, in which you will get the recording hours per month is the 5 hours, means up to the 5 hours of video you can record or you can request from the others. We have the one account user, this is the storage of the 10 GB, and all these features you are going to get except for the custom branding here. So I suggest if you also want the custom branding or the white label, you have to go with the at least the tier 2 or the higher plan. So in my suggestion, go for the tier 2 or the higher plan. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. Now let me give you a quick demo and the features overview of the Konvey. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the platform you are going to log in, and in the dashboard it will first ask you to install its browser extension. By the way, it's also available for the Chrome, so I have installed, and after that this is the Chrome extension will show up here, and here you will see the 3 formats for recording your screen. First, if you want to only capture the screen, if you want to just use your camera for the recording, or you want to use the screen plus camera, you can select any of these ones. So suppose I am just selecting the screen. After that I can just select the screen resolution. Here we have the full standard, high definition, 2K and 4K. So all the formats available. I will go with the full standard definition. I can also enable or disable the mic, and after that I have to hit this start recording. Now it will ask me to do one more step, that is the thing that I want to capture just a tab or a window or an entire screen. So I have to select that, and after that I have to click on this share, and now it will start recording the screen. So this is the one way I have showed you. In the another way, what you can do, you can also start capturing the screen straight out of this web app here. Simply click here on the record, and now you are on the both similar way that I have showed you, that you can select either the camera screen or screen plus camera, then this selecting the definite and click on the start recording. Then after that your recording will be the start. So I have already done a recording. Let me show you how this look like. So in my testing I have created this recording, that is the demo and the test 2 here. So let me open any of this recording. So this is the recording. Now here are the best part, I can add a call to action. Okay, and I can also upload this here on this cloud of the Konvey platform. So here I can just add the call to action, or I can also add a lead capturing form here. Okay, so once this video is done, what I can do, I can just copy the link, and now I can just embed this link in my emails, in my landing pages, in my copy, anywhere basically here. So let me show you. If I open the link in a cognito mode here, so let me open this link here, and this is how it will show up here. If you have added the links or the lead caption form, that will going to show up on a dedicated part on which you have that applied setting here. Okay, so that's how the video you are not just recorded but also edited with your button or your form, and then you can share. Okay, you can also accept the recording from the others as the reviews, feedback, testimonials, or the UGC content. Simply you have to click here on the new request, and after that you will ask like which is the purpose of this link creation here. Like I am going for a feedback from name of that person. Okay, now let me click here on the create request. After that I will get the link that I can share anywhere. Okay, suppose I am sharing with any of my team member for the feedback here, so I will go to the WhatsApp, select that team member, and after that simply paste the link and send here. Okay, so this is the link here, and after that that team member will click here on this link, and now it will open up the tab here. Then they can select whether the format for the camera or screen or the camera plus screen, and once they have done the recording it will show up here on the receive recording. So let me open up the screen, and again we have the same format. Here I can add the call to action, the form. Okay, so we have also the audience settings. Okay, in the audience settings I can enable the comments, emojis, reaction, download. So I can enable all these functions or the capabilities whether the user if they are going to watch this video, because I have uploaded the video. Now I can also embed any part of my website, and there I can enable the comments, I can enable the reactions here, or I can also enable whether I want them to download this video or not. Okay, so this is how the Konvey is going to help you, not only just capturing, recording the screen, but you can also share, you can add the elements, or you can also accept the videos as the testimonials, reviews, or the UGC videos from the others as well. And everything is going to be hosted on the cloud server that you can embed any part of your website with the custom elements disabled or the enabled. For example, you want the comments, emojis, or you want the feature to download the videos for the others. Okay, so if you want to check it out, this tool, the link will be given in the description. And there's also the one more similar tool like Konvey or the Loom, that is the Dadan, that I have already created dedicated video and the comparison on my channel. Here simply go to my channel, and if you will search here on the Dadan, you will find that video, and I have also compared the Dadan with the Loom here. Okay, so you can see this is the Loom versus the Dadan, and this is only dedicated review video. Okay, so if you want to check it out, you can just watch these videos. And if you want me to compare the Dadan with the Konvey, just let me know in the comments, I will happily do that. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the AI tools, SaaS videos, and tons more amazing part. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.